Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar specifically, and we're going to drill down from the daily chart all the way down to the 5-minute chart to see what clues we're seeing in each of those charts and how they impact each other. Let's take a look at the daily chart. And if we go from the high price that we saw here on April 5th, I guess that was a high price for the year as well, to the low price of the year, which we saw on July 14th, the price has retraced near 38.2% of that move to the downside. The high price today has come in at 0.7046. That's about 9 pips away from that 38.2% retracement. Get above the 38.2% retracement is the minimum corrective move that I like to look for if the buyers are to take more control. Now we are seeing buyers take control all through the since our July 14th low. Lots of up and down days, but mostly to the upside here as we've moved higher. And what I want to point out is this swing area here between the 0.6966 and 0.69935. We had a swing low here, a swing low here. We traded above and below it through this area, and then and also through here. But we did try to find sellers against the upper end of the extreme here and the lower end of the extreme right here, and push to the downside. That was sort of a clue after this up and down volatility through here. And then coming to the upside here, we had the same up and down volatility around the swing area. But note today's low. Today's low came in near the 0.6966 level, and we started to push to the upside. So that is, could be a clue from the daily chart that the buyers are willing to take more control and push up toward the 38.2. Get above that level, and we have another swing area between the 70.79 and 71.038, followed by the 100-day moving average at 71.195. So that's the daily chart. Some work to do on the upside, getting above the 38.2. Support down here somewhere around the 70 level. Just below that level is the 93 level. We'll look for support near there. Let's take a look at the hourly chart. What do we see on the hourly chart? Well, if we look at today's price action, we did reestablish support against the 100-hour moving average at the low. Remember, that level also corresponded with the support level on the daily chart near this lower swing area. So we had two reasons why the price should bottom there, and the 100-hour moving average in the swing area off the daily chart, and that's what helped to propel the move to the upside here. We have seen up and down volatility. The price has not necessarily held the 100-hour moving average going back in time, but certainly the trend or the movement is more to the upside. On Friday, during the volatile end of month up and down price action, we did actually break both below the 100 and the 200-hour moving average, but we did find support near these swing areas through here. You can even go back to over here and over here. So lots of levels in this area through here, and that helped to support the market, push the price back up to the upside, and once again held the 100-hour moving average. So that's what I'm focused on here, is that move off of the 100-hour average, more bullish. Now finally, let's take a look at the 5-minute chart. And in the 5-minute chart, we have definitely a high price here, a high ceiling area near the 0.7646. Remember, on the daily chart, we have to get up to the 5 level, and through that level, that's the 38.2% retracement. What I like about the setup here is that the corrective move of today's trading range did find support right near the 50% retracement level. We traded above and below the 100-bar moving average admittedly, but not below the 200-bar moving average on this 5-minute chart, and also held the 50% retracement. So that's again a sort of a bullish bias here. We held it once, we held it twice. So that is good news. In the short term, watch the 100-bar moving average. Now that we've gone through this up and down price action, held to 50% and moved up to the high, we want to see this 100-bar moving average to hold support if the price is going to go higher from here, break above our ceiling level. So that's a drill down from the daily to the hourly to the 5-minute chart in the Aussie versus US dollar. There's some positives, some bullish developments that we're seeing over on each of the charts, to be honest with you, but there is that ceiling level up to the 0.7055 level, and today intraday at the 0.7046 level, ahead of that level. My name is Greg Michalowski. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Good fortune with your trading. Bye bye now.